In this tutorial video, I am going to be teaching you how to use ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is one of the most powerful text-to-speech software available on the internet today, and it provides you the feature to create amazing text-to-speech voices from scratch. We are going to be learning how to set up your free account in ElevenLabs. Then we're going to be learning how to use the text-to-speech software inside of ElevenLabs. And then we're going to be looking at some of the more amazing features that you can check out inside of the ElevenLabs dashboard. Before getting started though, make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. So first step is to of course sign up to the ElevenLabs software. For this, I'm going to be leaving my affiliate link down below in the description. You can use that and you'll be redirected into this particular page right here. Mind you that if you use my link, you will get 10,000 free credits off of ElevenLabs when the first time you sign up. So make sure that you use that. Okay, so once you are here, you just need to sign up to ElevenLabs. For that, you can click on the sign up button here or the sign up button here. So I'm going to click and I'm going to be redirected into this page. I can just use my Google account. So let me quickly sign up using Google. Once you sign up, you will be taken into a page like this. You can select the options that you like. So let me go ahead and quickly set that up. Now you will be asked the option to select a plan. You can simply come down and click on skip. After the sign up procedure is completed, you will be taken into the ElevenLabs dashboard. From here, you can start using the various features that ElevenLabs provides. So let's now explore this dashboard to its fullest. First thing that you will be able to see is a panel wherein you can paste the text that you want to convert to speech. You can start typing or paste any text you want inside of this panel, and then you can click the generate button in order to convert that text into speech. On the right side, you can see the option to change the voice using which the speech will be generated. You can also select the model that you want to use in order to generate the speech. So you can test these models out and find out which one of these would actually be better for your specific use case. When you scroll down, you will be able to see the option to adjust the speed, stability and similarity of the speech that is being generated. Okay, so now let's actually go ahead and use this feature and see how this would work in real time. For that, I'm actually going to be using a YouTube essay that I generated using ChatGPT. I'll simply come here and copy this essay. Then I'm going to come back to ElevenLabs and paste this essay here. Now I'll come to the right side and I'll select the voice that I wish to narrate this particular text. I'll be taken into a panel such as this where I'll be able to see a number of voices. Let's preview these voices one by one and select which one we like.
Our distrust is very expensive.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
So as you have heard, these are some of the voices that are available inside of ElevenLabs. If you liked any one of these, then you can select these voices. And if you want to check out more voices, you can simply come here and click on view all, and you'll be able to see a variety of other voices as well. For right now, I simply like this voice, which is the default voice called Alice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it and it is going to be selected. Then inside of models, I'm going to go ahead and select ElevenLab Multilingual because this is actually the recommended model from ElevenLabs. Then I'm going to scroll down. And for the speed setting, I'm going to make the speed to be 0.90, which is the best setting that I like to keep in after having personally used ElevenLabs for all these years. In the stability, I'm going to increase the stability to 60%. And in similarity, I'm going to keep the setting as it is right now. Now I can simply click on generate speech. So let's go ahead and do that. So now that you will be able to see the speech has been generated. So let's take a preview of what it sounds like.
Bitcoin, the digital revolution that changed money forever. In 2008, while the world was drowning in a global financial crisis, an anonymous person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto released a 9-page document.
So as you can see, the text-to-speech software sounds amazing. Now, if you want to change the speed of this or the stability of this, you can go ahead and tweak those settings a little bit to suit your particular needs. But overall, I'm quite satisfied with the results. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to come here and click on the download button. And as you can see, the speech has been downloaded into my computer. So that was basically an overview of how you can use the text-to-speech software inside of ElevenLabs. Now let's actually go ahead and check out some of the other features that you might find to be interesting inside of ElevenLabs. One of the features that I have really used throughout my content creation life is the sound effects feature, wherein you can put in a prompt and generate a sound effect according to the prompt. Let's get an overview of how this particular feature works. You just need to come on the left hand side and click on sound effects. You'll be taken into a page such as this. So to check it out again, we're going to come to ChatGPT and we're going to ask it to give it a prompt in order to generate a sound effect. This is the prompt that it has given to me. I'm going to copy this prompt. I'm going to head back into this panel. Then I'm going to paste this prompt in there. Now, one thing that we're going to do before we click on the generate button is that we're going to come down here and click on this particular button. It's called prompt influence, and we're going to increase the influence of the prompt to around 80%. Then we're going to click on generate. The generation process will start. Let's wait for it to be finished. Okay, so now the sound effect has been generated. Let's check it out. So 4 different sound effects have been created. Let's check it out one by one. So you see, different kinds of sound effects have been created. If you want, you can also add a specific prompt in order to create something very, very specific. If you want, like, let's say a horror type of sound, you can also generate that. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So I'll now ask ChatGPT in order to create the prompt for a horror sound effect. And these are some of the prompts that it is giving me. I really like this prompt, so I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back to ElevenLabs and I'm going to replace this prompt with the one that I copied just now. Then I'm going to click on generate. Let's wait for this to finish. Now it has again generated 4 different sound effects. Let me check it out one by one. Okay, so these sound really, really amazing. So if you want, you can go ahead and download any one of these you want, and you can also add it as one of your favorites. So that was basically how you use the sound effects tab inside of ElevenLabs. Okay, so last but not the least, I want to introduce you guys to the voice changer feature that is available inside of ElevenLabs. What this feature basically allows you to do is to upload any sound file into ElevenLabs, and then what it is going to do is that it is going to change the voice into the voice of the AI assistant that you're going to be selecting from the voice tab. So let me give you an overview of how this would work. Now I have this YouTube video that I wish to convert and change the voice of. So I have this video right here. Let me give you a preview of what this sounds like.
Convert PNG to PDF. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101.
Okay, so let's say I want to change the voice inside of this video using ElevenLabs. I'm going to come back to ElevenLabs. I'm going to click on upload. Then I'm going to select the video and click on open. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on generate speech. Okay, so now as you can see, the audio has been edited and the file wherein the audio file is placed can also be shown beneath the original added file. So let's go ahead and play this just to see how it works like.
How to convert PNG to PDF. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101.
So as you can see, it completely changed my voice and converted it into an AI voice. So if you want to do something like this, you can also use ElevenLabs for this purpose. So that was a quick tutorial on how to use ElevenLabs. If you found this video to be helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications, because we're going to be uploading more helpful content like this on our channel related to AI in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. Also, if you want more credits for ElevenLabs, then make sure that you come to the upgrade section and check out the subscription plans that are available to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.